Hi guys, I don't know how good my lighting's gonna be, so we'll give this a try anyways. I just got my box from my bariatric pal, and it's the subscription box that I started doing. So I figured I would do an unboxing with you guys to see what all I have in here. So let's take a look. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's got, let me show you all this colorful business in here. Yeah, sorry. Ooh, this looks fun. Okay, so this box is like super full. It looks like, this is my first one, you guys, so let's see. Oh, it gives you a list of everything that is in your box.